A groundbreaking innovation in the high-frequency vibrator market, the industry's first three-part modular design. Unlike conventional models, the vibrator head and hose can now be separated, offering unique flexibility and ease of maintenance. No matter the aggregate size or short or long hose length, our modular system lets you instantly customize the vibrator head and hose to meet any site's demands. Furthermore, the switch unit is compatible with all components and can be used without any modifications. By adopting a modular structure, the vibrator dramatically reduces the time required for inspection, replacement, and disassembly. By using a dedicated inspection kit, faults can be easily identified, allowing for quick replacement and repair of defective parts. Repair points can be easily identified, reducing downtime to approximately 1/7 compared to conventional high-frequency vibrators. Up to 2 high-frequency vibrators can be used simultaneously. By using a dedicated inverter, up to 2 vibrators can be operated simultaneously and adjust vibration frequency in 3 stages to match the demands of any job site. Furthermore, the Exen ICVU high-frequency vibrator is compatible with competitors' generators and inverters. Build a business model that contributes to the Sustainable Development Goals. By replacing only the vibrator head, which was previously often discarded due to burnout, no need to discard functional components. Reusing the hose and switch helps minimize environmental impact and promote sustainability.